Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. Appreciate you joining us. Today I'm gonna make you a homemade chicken tortilla soup. So stay tuned.
T-Roy Cooks. T-Roy Cooks. T-Roy, Austin, Texas.
Alright, first step, you need to get you some chicken thighs or chicken breasts. I actually think chicken thighs go better in this chicken tortilla soup. It's a little bit more juicy flavored meat, okay? But I got chicken breasts this time, and simple salt, garlic, pepper, onion powder, a little cumin if you want on there, whatever you want to do. But this is it's a Mexican soup. So I got some of this heaven-made products. This is their amazing Mexi-Cajun. It's like a Cajun blend with some Mexican flair to it. It's good stuff, folks. Get yourself 20% off if you're interested in ordering some. I'll put the link down below in the description box for you. Once you get your chicken all cooked up though, either on the grill or in your oven, however you want to do it, you need to get you some peppers. I got Poblano peppers for this dish, and you can also use serranos, ancho chilies, hatch peppers, jalapenos, whatever you want. But I got 2 Poblanos. Fixing to put these on the stove. Let me show that to you real quick here. Just put them on the burner right here, or put them in your oven if you'd rather. What you want to do is blister the skin though. And, well, that's hot, boy. It's going to blister the skin. You're going to hear it start popping and making all kind of racket, but just char the outside skin. Once you've charred it all the way around, at that point what you want to do, you can probably hear it popping. Once you've charred the skin all the way around, put it in some type of a zip type bag, okay? And a plastic bag. And just let it sit there and steam itself for about 10-15 minutes. That's going to steam that skin away from the flesh of the pepper. And at that point, put it under some running cold water, and you can just peel that skin right off of there. Plus you get a nice grilled smoky flavor on your peppers. It's good stuff, folks. At that point, we'll bring you back. All right, gang, I just want to show you real quick. See how it's charred on the outside like that? That's what you're looking for right there. Doesn't have to be totally charred, but the majority of it charred. Put that in a little nice baggie right there. I'm gonna give this one a nice flip. Let that finish going on the other side. Boy, I wish I could smell this. Roasted peppers smell fantastic. All right, now while my peppers are steaming, let me bring you back down here, show you what we're gonna do next. This is some chicken stock. I'm going in with 4 cups. There you go, 4 cups, 32 ounces, if you're interested in that. All right, we're gonna go in with a little bit of salt and pepper. Not a whole lot. And I will put the recipe down in the description box. Just hit show more, folks, because I'm gonna kind of wing it, and I may add more of this stuff. This is cumin, onion powder, garlic powder. It's equal amounts. I'm going in with that much right there for now. May adjust it later, we'll see. But in the description box, I will actually put down the exact ingredient and the amounts. Now for the chili powder, you need some good chili powder, folks. I get my chili powders from Mild Bill's Spice Company. I think they're in Ennis, Texas. This is the Grand Prize chili powder. This is really, really good stuff here, folks. I'm gonna go in a couple of teaspoons there. Gonna give this a nice stir up. And we're going to let this just heat up over like a medium high until it kind of comes up to a boil. And at that point, we're going to add some other stuff, so y'all stay tuned. All right, this is coming up to a boil. I'm going in with a can of black beans, drained, rinsed. Can of hominy, golden hominy, drained and rinsed again. Got a can of stewed tomatoes. I'm going to pour the juice out, and I'm going to take the tomatoes out, and I'm going to give them a fine dice. Just a can of regular diced tomatoes will work as well. As my poblano, I chopped it up after peeling the skin off of it. Get on out there. Red bell pepper going in. All right, we're going in with the stewed tomatoes that I diced up. Get all that juice in there. There we go. Frozen corn. This is a 16-ounce bag. I'm going in with maybe 8 ounces of it. Got my chicken that I cubed up, that's going in. It's real quick and easy, folks. Doesn't take much to get this going. All right, I'm gonna let this come up to a boil. We're gonna let it simmer. After it comes up to a boil, I'm gonna put the lid on it, let it simmer for about a half hour, and we'll check it for seasonings. We'll meet you right back. All right, folks, wrapping this up, let me show you what we got to finish this off real quick. I just picked up some of these flour tortillas. These are from my local grocery store. There's a southwestern flavor. It's got some peppers and stuff in there. But regular corn tortillas work pretty good. And what I did, I took one of these corn tortillas and I basically laid it on a cutting board, and I just cut it into strips. All right, so we got a bunch of strips here, and I took it, put it in an oven, and I baked it for about 4 or 5 minutes at 325. Got me some lime here, got me some avocado, got me some Mexican blend cheese right here, and of course my bowl. Doesn't that look good, y'all? That looks really, really good. Smells good too. Again, check out the description below. Just hit show more to get to the recipe. I added some stuff after I shut the camera off, so be sure you check out the recipe and don't just go by what you see in the video. So we're going to top this off a little bit with some lime juice. There we go. Gonna throw me some avocados in here. You can put guacamole on top of this too, along with some sour cream. That'd be good. However you want to fix it up, just make it your own. Got some of these down here in the bottom, down here. You can also put some of these down in the very bottom if you want. Just put the soup over the top of it. Put your little cheese on top, just like so. Put some parsley or some chives on top of that if you want. Well, folks, that's what you call a meal. Let's give it a try. All right, everybody, here we go. Down the hatch. Folks, that's got a lot of flavor to it. Be sure and add some salt and pepper for your own taste. I'm telling you, this is good homemade chicken tortilla soup. Gotta love it. And man, Karen was asking me if I wanted to put that pheasant that I had left over from the other day. A little bit of that pheasant breast would have been good in here as well. So appreciate y'all joining me. Karen, you think it's pretty good, babe?
It's delicious.
Thumbs up from Karen. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all give me some thumbs up if you like this. Hope you share the video. When you do, please tell all your friends. T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody.